Hey guys, it's Coach Damon. Today we're going to give you a fun yet challenging drill that's going to challenge your ability to get square in the air while making tough shots in and around the rim. Now this drill came directly from a high major coach who played in the NBA and is also the NCAA's all-time leading three-point field goal percentage shooter. He said he used to do this drill both in college and when he was in the league to challenge himself and to have fun around the rim. So I'm going to start very simply. I'm going to be square to the baseline and I'm going to jump, get square in the air, and make shots. So I'm here, I'm going to get square, I'm going to stick my form, and if you notice, I'm getting square in the air every single time and shooting it just like I would a normal jump shot. So I'm square to the baseline, I get my shot. I'm square to the baseline, one more, and I make my shot. Now, once you get very confident, he would turn away from the basket, turn, locate, and shot. Challenging his ability to get square in the air. All the way around, and shot. Now this isn't something you're gonna do in a game. You're never gonna get to this spot and do a complete 180. But at the same time, it's a way that you can challenge yourself, you can have fun, and you can still work on aspects that are applicable to the game.